once again it's Rajesh in a Rajesh YouTube channel. So today we will study the rational and irrational numbers, and that there's different features of the integer relations between in among the integers and the others co-primes numbers, and the different types of the, the natural and the whole numbers that we will define here and try to solve a theorem. First, that's if p divides prime numbers and integers, their relations. So here we will discuss here. So first we will write here the rational and irrational numbers. Rational and irrational number. Rational and irrational numbers. First we will define the here's the what is the real number. First we will define here real numbers. Okay, so what is real numbers? First of all, so we have to know that some here is the numbers which is either rational or irrational number. Rational or irrational numbers. This is is called a real number. Is called real number. Either rational or irrational certificate real numbers. Here is the, so we will define this how we will with the diagrammatic representations we will try to find out the relations of the real numbers. So first of all, so ray diagram, with the help of ray diagrams we will try here. So here is the real number. Okay, here real numbers. This can be differentiated into two parts. First part, second parts. Real number can be differentiated into two parts: rational numbers, irrational numbers. Rational number and irrational number. Rational number and irrational number, two things happens. And rational numbers, if we take the example 307 minus 307 1 by 2 3 by 5, these are the minus 4 by 3, these are the rational numbers. Got it? So it is rational number. Now we will discuss about irrational number. So under root 2, it is said to be the irrational numbers. Why? Because it is not written 3 5 15 under root 3 under root 5 under root 15 pi is equal to 0.1. So pi and a 0.100101, these are can be written here. So 001 and just 01011, and this way we will define here that's all the 011 and then 01, these are the irrational numbers. So for this we will divide here these irrational numbers sorry, real number into two parts: integer and non-negatives. Integers. Here's two parts of the rational number. First, integers. Okay, integers, and the non-negatives are fractions. Integers, non-integers, fraction. Okay, fractions are non-negative, integers are fractions. Integers, non-integers are fractions. Here's integers minus 2 -1 0 1 2, these are okay. And the non-negative integers we will say define here that 11 by 2, 5 by 7, 11 by 2 can be written here 5 by 7, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, okay. These are set with the non-negative integers. Now further we will divide the non any integers into negative integers and the while numbers non-negative integers. This is divided into negative integers and the non-negative integers. Non-negative integers. Okay. Negative integers, non-negative integers. So negative integers can be written here. Suppose that -3, -2, -1. These are the non-negative integers. Sorry, negative integers. And here is the while non-integers are fractions. Whole numbers are non-negative integers. It is said with the whole numbers. Whole numbers. So whole numbers can be defined here. Same that you know that. So what is whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These are the whole numbers. Now further we will divide the whole numbers into two parts: 0 and the natural numbers. This is 0. This is natural numbers. So 0 is can be written as 0 and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are positive integers. Without 0 is set with the natural numbers. Sorry, whole numbers. These are the whole numbers and here is the natural numbers. So we have defined with the red diagram. Say here is the all the real numbers that we have defined. Yes, now for this we will define yes what is rational numbers. First we will define your rational number. Rational number. Okay, what is rational numbers? Are numbers which can be expressed as a number which can be expressed as P by Q form. Okay, P by Q form, and where P and Q are integers, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0, called rational numbers. Okay, called rational number. Example you will take here, so 1 by 2, -3 by 5, 6 by 1, 6 by 7, etc. These are the rational numbers. Now we will take here another irrational numbers. First, second, irrational number. Okay, this is irrational numbers. How we will define here irrational numbers? Are numbers. A number which can be, cannot be expressed as P by Q form, where P and Q and where sorry P and Q are Q is and Q is not equal to 0, called irrational number. Okay, p by q forms, q is not equal to 0 is set with the p by q forms where p and q integers, q is not equal to 0, irrational numbers. Okay, example we will take here under root 2, under root 3, under root 5, y under 2 by under root 5. Okay, these are the irrational numbers, and the others numbers 3 by 2 can be written here. 0 0.1, 0 1 1, 0 0, just like that. So, we will increase here 1 1 0, 1 1 1, 0. These are the numbers can be expressed as a irrational numbers. Got it? Now further we will take the another co-prime numbers, co-prime integers. Third point here we will define here co-prime integers. What is co-prime integers? It is the co-prime integers a pair of a pair of integers which have no common factor other than 1. No common factor other than ones. Okay, no common factor, completely no common factor other than ones or minus 1, we can say, or minus 1 are called co-primes. Example we will take here 1 3 7 3 7 5 and 6, sorry, and 7 5 1 3. These are the co-prime numbers. Okay, here we have discussed here completely the rational number, irrational number, prime numbers and co-prime numbers completely we have discussed here. So, and real numbers we have discussed here with the outline diagrams, and just try to understand that what will be the better in these situations. Okay, so as next day so we will try to solve and prove the theorems with the help of theorems, and the different questions can be solved by means of this method. Okay, thank you very much.